there! Welcome to my channel where we talk about personal finance and how to achieve financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to become a millionaire by the age of 25. Tip 1. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. At the age of 25, you have a significant advantage because you have time on your side. You can start investing in stocks, real estate, or even start your own business. Tip 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the keys to achieving financial success. It means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. You should avoid spending on unnecessary things like luxury cars or expensive vacations. Instead, focus on saving and investing your money. Tip 3. Invest in stocks. Investing in stocks is one of the easiest ways to build wealth. You can start by investing in a low-cost index fund, which is a diversified portfolio of stocks. The stock market has historically provided an average return of 8 to 10% per year, which means your money will double every 7 to 10 years. Tip 4. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is another way to increase your income and build wealth. You can start a business online, sell products on Amazon, or even offer freelance services. A side hustle can help you earn extra money that you can use to invest in stocks or real estate. Tip 5. Educate yourself. Education is key to success in any area of life, including finance. You should read books and articles about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Attend seminars, conferences, and workshops to learn from experts in the field. Becoming a millionaire at the age of 25 is not easy, but it's definitely possible. Start by living below your means, investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, and educating yourself. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep and grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips.